Ready? 5 seconds. Start. A London bound Air India flight crashed into a densely populated area immediately after takeoff from Ahmedabad on Thursday afternoon, with most of the 242 people on board and many on the ground feared killed. The accident in Ahmedabad would count among the 10 worst air disasters ever in the world in terms of human toll. It was the worst air tragedy over Indian skies since a Saudi liner barreled into a Kazakh aircraft over Charki Dadri, west of Delhi, in November 1996, killing 349. Next para, the Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner with 230 passengers and 12 crew members turned into a fireball as it went down in the Meghaninagar area, home to a hostel of the BJ Medical College near the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. Barely 30 odd seconds into takeoff, the aircraft began to struggle for height, stalled, and dropped dead. NDTV reported that at least 5 doctors had died in the medical complex. No official death count had been provided till late in the night. However, Ahmedabad Police Commissioner G.S. Malik mentioned one survivor. The police found one survivor in seat 11A. One survivor has been found in the hospital and is under treatment, he told news agency ANI. Cannot say anything about the number of deaths yet. The death toll may increase as the flight crashed in a residential area. Next para, among the 230 passengers, 169 were Indians, 53 were British, 7 were Portuguese, and 1 was a Canadian. This is the first crash anywhere involving a Boeing Dreamliner, fitted for its advanced features. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation said the aircraft departed at 1:39 p.m. from runway 23 and soon after gave a mayday call to air traffic control within bracket ATC. Thereafter, it became unresponsive to the ATC's calls. The last signal received by flight radar, an online flight tracker platform, shows the aircraft reached an altitude of 6 to 5 feet before it suddenly began losing altitude at a vertical speed of 475 feet per minute. Next para, a senior pilot who watched the video of the crash said it appeared that both engines lost thrust. In such a situation, the plane cannot go up, it just keeps coming down. The pilot told the Telegraph on the condition of anonymity. He said the video did not suggest a bird hit. In case of a bird hit, smoke emerges from the rear of the aircraft. Also, there are other external visible indicators that were not seen, at least in this video, the pilot said. Stop.